We're in Punta Cana.
We made it.
It's Kaylin's birthday on
My 21st
Sunday. Yeah, so we're in Punta Cana now, and we literally just got here, y'all. Just got our bags. Alexis and Nicole went to the restroom. Oh, here they come. Look at her hats, y'all. It's gonna be a party. So period. Y'all, it's so hot here, and we all got on long sleeve. We just waiting right now. We finna go get in the Airbnb. I mean, go get in the car or whatever to go to the Airbnb. So yeah, huh? Yeah. But yeah, we gotta go through one little exit thing, and then we finna go. Y'all ready? No, barely. But yeah, y'all say hey to the vlog. Alexis and Nicole. And now we're about to go walk to go to the little driver. We booked this driver. Okay. So yeah.
Oh, they got American snacks?
Oh yeah. You need this for the house? Don't they got a store at Airbnb? Oh, they got Coke? They got Cokes and everything. You sure you don't want? Okay. Hopefully. Dang, it's a long exit line. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all once we get out this airport.
It's perfect.
Muy bueno.
Yeah.
Okay, esa es la cajita de
What are you doing on the car?
Look, put the cups.
You want to put one of my hats on for my birthday?
Put the hat
Put
on.
my hat on.
Look, he said no. Put the
No,
hat.
let's do this. Let's do that.
Put it on your head.
You don't have to. If it's
Oh,
too
it's
tight-
gonna. Oh no. Oh no.
Hold on, no,
Just sit it on your head.
No.
Yes,
Just
just
sit
sit
on
it.
top.
Yes.
Let me take a picture.
Yay.
Hold on, let me take a picture.
Oh my gosh. He playing.
That's gonna be a cute picture.
Period. So y'all, we in the truck right now. Got a little black truck to the B&B. Real luxury. It's pretty outside too. It's hot as fuck.
Oh my god. That charger don't work yet?
No, it don't work. I just tried to plug up my phone because I'm on the map. Y'all, we are 46 minutes away from where we're staying. It's not even focusing, but we far, basically.
Goddamn hours.
Literally an hour.
We should got fucking liquor. I've been drunk by now.
I want to mix. I need like
I don't want
a frozen drink.
Like a pineapple?
Yeah, like a little coconut or something.
Oh, pineapple cup of gal. The music up?
He probably trying to get out the traffic, right?
It's actually pretty down here. Can somebody take a
Un momento.
Hold up, bro. The way this is pretty. Oh, that is so cute. I'm putting my shit here wrong. I'm thinking my camera. I kind of want to see what the front. Oh, there you go. Am I even a tripod for my different camera? I'm probably in there.
That other one you brought?
Shit, I'm tripping, bro. Oh, look, cake shit every time. Oh, shit.
Love you, and I
Too many babies in the black truck, all these hoes can't bring it up. Get enough.
Look, this is cute.
Yeah, we almost to the resort.
Oh, I like this one. What?
6 minutes.
Little big one. Shit.
I
can teach a nigga how to pay for pussy and raise a thought. Put my big one on you, baby. We just hanging out. Like, you like girls, and I like girls. I'm feeling you the wrong way. I'm gonna rock your world. Know how to take it right. Shit and ass like what your mama gave you. Nigga, flesh on the road with the drill. Nigga, vibrator. Call my pillows up in my Maybach truck. That's how I slide, baby. I can't give you a number 5 minutes, cause bitch, I'm tired.
Hey y'all, so we made it to the B&B like a couple hours ago, and we got all settled in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what is giving for the weekend. It's super cute, super tea. and I love it. So let me give y'all a little tour. We're gonna start at the front of the house so y'all can see what we're working with. Tell me if it's a 10 out of 10. What? A chicken? Yeah. Okay. Shut up, Kaylin. Okay, this is the front door, and when you come in, you see stairs that lead up to the rooms, which I will show y'all in a minute. This is a full body mirror. Absolutely love this. This is a room that's downstairs. Nobody wants to sleep here because it's downstairs, so this one's just gonna be the little chill room, I guess. A little shared restroom, dining table, the main common area, living room, real nice TV, pool table, kitchen vibes, and then this is our balcony with the pool. Super cute. And then we're gonna go and show the upstairs. Y'all, this Airbnb is just too tea for me. Like, I'm so happy we spent good money on it, and it's actually nice, because sometimes I get tired of staying in hotels every time I go out the country, and I'm so happy we went with an Airbnb. But yeah, so all the rooms up here, this Kaylin room, Alexis and Nicole, and then this me right here. It's really dim in here, and I can't figure out how to put those lights on, but this is my room. I have a really cute balcony. Like, look at the views. So nice out here. It looks even prettier when it's daytime. I need to lock you. I don't even know how to work this doggone thing. Okay. Closet. And then this is my restroom. Everything is super modern. Like, I literally cannot complain. Everything looks new and updated. So yeah, this Airbnb. Oh, I didn't even show y'all Kaylin and Alexis in the room. Okay, let's do Kaylin first. This is Kaylin room. Real cute in here. Period. Love this. And then this is my favorite part of her room. This black wall. This black wall just gives the accent, and it lets you know this is like the main bedroom. So yeah, this is how her balcony looks. It's like the back of the resort. So yeah, super cute. This girl done brought her whole closet.
I brought too many clothes.
Okay, then this is, y'all got clothes on? Okay, it's the restroom. All the restrooms look pretty similar. And then this is the actual room, period.
So this is Alexis' room, but I was too scared to sleep alone by myself downstairs.
Exactly. So they're sleeping together.
Yes.
Period. So yeah, that's all the rooms, y'all. Everything is so cute. Like, we're gonna have such a good time. I'm glad it's like luxury because it's Kaylin's 21st, so I'm pretty sure she wanted everything to be like really nice. So that's why we went with this B&B, and it's a 10 out of 10. We all about to like take a shower and change and stuff, and we have like matching pajamas tonight, and we're gonna play like Risha Roulette and, you know, have a little fun. So yeah, that's the vibes for tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to our first excursion of the trip, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. So I'm about to take a shower and change and get ready for the little game night, and then yeah, I'll see y'all once we start.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. What you say? me that doggy style, puppy whisper. So hot in the fire fever. If you can't fast and a vista, tell Lego, queen.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on. We the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the journey to us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class and we put them. Only sit the road and we go on with the road. Word promise them every entire thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing. Yeah, Jimmy Hard, dig it so get the iron ring like that. Oh, proud time, say I push out down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. You need about the pass through your soul. Yeah, man,
good morning, y'all. So today is our first full day in Dominican Republic. Right now we are about to zip line and see monkeys. It's called Monkey Land, but they have zip line here too. Y'all, look at this gorgeous view at the place. We literally just took like a long ride here, and that's what y'all saw before this clip. But we're just waiting right now. We just got our wristbands and stuff, and we're just waiting to like go ahead and start the zip line. But I'm so excited. We're gonna have so much fun. This is what I have on today. Literally just a plain little jumpsuit and some tennis shoes, because you have to wear tennis shoes on the zip line. So yeah, I just had to find like a little outfit with some shoes I didn't care about. So not looking too cute right now, but it'll do. So yeah, we're about to zip line. I'm super excited, and it's dark. But look at them.
It's kind of like day one.
Everybody looks cute. Everybody just got on like a little basic little one too.
So right now we're at Monkey Land in the Dominican Republic. We're gonna zip line and we're gonna play with some monkeys.
Yeah, I don't even know where to put this.
It's looking really nice. Out here some nice views. We got our band. We got our outfits. We got our tennis shoes. We're ready to go. We're set. Oh, you vlogging? We're set.
I'm putting this key in my shoe.
We're set. This band is so ugly.
You got the key, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, we're just waiting right now, guys. He said we're supposed to wait over there though. Like we're all in waiting. Oh, okay, let's go then. I'm gonna try to record when we get on the zip line. I'm a little nervous. We don't even know how.
Pull up the water.
We don't even know how high it is. It was just on the floor, but it's unopened though. Should we keep it?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
They said they don't get thirsty.
But yeah,
I don't think I'm gonna be out of real.
I don't think so either. But that's why I didn't want to. So should I just put this in the locker then? Low key. Here, I'll put it in my shoe. So come on, you use the key you have. I tucked it under my shoe. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all once we're about to start zip lining, because we're about to put on our gear and stuff. So
To go do that.
yeah, Kaylin, y'all, she already.
No, Maya, you need to cut.
Okay, next.
Y'all, we're about to go on the zip line. We look absolutely crazy right now. He's giving us instructions, I guess, but we don't understand him because he's speaking Spanish. It's like 12 different ones to go on.
All of you. Okay, excelente. So, amigos.
We're headed up to the zip line, the first one. There's like 12 different levels, y'all, and they scared.
I would really walk the fuck down. You're not gonna make me do nothing I don't want to do.
So how are we feeling on a scale from 1 to 10?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Nicole is scared. Nicole do not want to do it at all. It's the first one. Girl, y'all being scary. It's literally gonna be so fun. Watch. Y'all said y'all didn't want to do ATVs again.
ATV zip line and horseback riding. Oh no, that's the one that's hard.
Y'all said no. I want to do the horses.
We go to Acres Home and ride some horses.
It literally be like 5 minutes for $100.
I don't know how much we pay for horseback.
Bro, in
We did
Jamaica?
horseback in the ATV.
Oh, y'all did that in Puerto Rico?
Yeah, we did. We did something else, right?
Okay. We're walking up. Yeah, I don't know how. Well, I have a little band on my camera, so I'll hold it with that.
I don't know what's it's like the ATV, you gotta get used to it. Now this is my life.
Okay, this is the first one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is not that bad. This is not high at all. He said the first two are like practice. So.
Nicole can't even Nicole like crack the smile for together.
Bro, Nicole been straight face.
Ooh, I'm weak in the knees.
Oh my gosh.
I'm still weak in the knees.
I'm so excited. I don't even have no complaints.
And that's like real hot.
Yeah, cold.
Bro, number 9 is over water. Like, this is crazy.
We never do this shit again. Fuck you, this your fault, bitch. At least you're not swearing on no life, Nicole.
So y'all, we are back from the zip line now. Everybody is like wore out. Look how Alexis looking. Y'all, it started pouring down, raining on us. Like the first zip line that we did, it was literally like pouring down so hard. We were soaked. Lashes were wet, everything. But we done now. We just ate. They gave us some good little chicken and rice and some fruit and stuff. So I'm really ready to take a nap at this point, but we're about to go to see the monkeys. So that's our next little stop. This is what we're looking at. Everything's so nice, but I am getting sleepy. The chicken and rice is actually good. I'm the only one that got seconds. I guess I'm big. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and see these monkeys, and then after that I think it's time to go back. Y'all, my hair got messed up and everything. Like, it literally got wet, so I'm gonna have to fix it when we get to the house, because we're supposed to go to the beach or something. But we'll see. My outfit dirty and everything. Like, literally. Come on, I thought you was getting back in your bag, Kaylin. Whoa! We're in Monkey Land now. Y'all scared or what?
That was so racist.
What she say?
I feel
Okay.
what? But y'all, I hope they have a longer time.
I'm nervous. They gonna jump on there?
She said no zippers, baby.
Oh, we gotta put this down. What do we do with our lock? I have it. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah,
We can get the key.
hopefully. Hopefully. Cause I don't know how.
Dang.
Okay, y'all. We inside with the monkeys. I'm actually really nervous right now. Like, actually. I feel like I'm gonna scream as soon as one jumps on me. Oh my gosh, there's already one on his neck. Y'all, there's already one on his back. Y'all, I'm nervous. Y'all, I swear, I think I'm gonna like scream. Somebody say I'm nervous. Who running already? Yes.
Right here, please.
Oh,
Against your, no, stand off. Back against your right, pushing this way, everybody.
I'm actually really nervous right now.
Family, stay with your family.
Oh my god. Them monkeys ugly. Them monkeys ugly. Like, hold on, where they at? Y'all, we gotta feed them the food and they gonna get on us. I'm actually like really nervous. Please. I'm scared to get next to the side. Oh my gosh. Yeah. They all over there running. What? Look, y'all, look. Oh my gosh, they're creepy. Oh no, it's coming over here.
Y'all are so mean.
Why is it itching? Look at Kayla, look at Kayla. Look at her face. Bro, I don't either. Look, I'm getting nervous. Oh, it's on his foot already. He screamed. Look. Oh no.
Children here, so no language like that.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, what?
Just work, remember. Don't move your feet, stay where you are. Please.
Girl, this is a free country. Like we pay money just like you. Girl, what? Ooh.
Let's start over here. Come on down.
Like she ain't heard a curse word before. Shit. Oh.
No, what? No. Bro, stop, please, Jada, stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. You gonna wipe it on me?
It was something wet, I swear, y'all. It probably was just a tree. The rain.
Do this. I'm ready to go. Give me your car. I don't want you on me, bro. I didn't write my motherfucking camera.
And that lady gonna yell at you next, Kelly. She said, "What the fuck?" So loud. Look, oh, this is the trees. This is the trees. Look. Yeah. Okay. No. Look, he's bringing them over here. He's bringing them over here. Oh God, I don't want to be friends. Yo, he's trying to.
No, please, Nicole, stop, please. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
Y'all.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking. Oh my God.
Nicole, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Relax. Relax. I don't want to do this. It
was on my head. Did it get on your head?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for us. Now it's time to feed them. He's gonna give you the bowl of
Y'all,
food.
oh my gosh.
Hold the plate very tight with one hand. At the same time, I'm gonna
this was crazy. Why did we all scream like that?
It's not only our photos.
I don't like how they itching. Like all of them are scratching. I did not expect. Oh no, absolutely not. Y'all, hold on.
At least it's gonna be 4 of us.
Look how many monkeys is on them. Look, they fighting. They fighting. They fighting.
They hungry, Jada. They fight for their territory. I don't want no food if they're gonna do that.
Y'all, I want to record, but who?
Yeah, can somebody? I'm gonna just hold my. I'm gonna record it myself.
I can't record. I can't record and hold the monkeys now.
You're not holding them. They just go. Hey, Nicole, let's give you a little space.
It's coming. It's coming. Scoot over a little bit. Y'all scoot over a little bit. No.
Y'all back that.
No, they're about to piss me off. Scoot over a little bit. Oh my God, it's right here. I'm scared.
I don't want to stand by y'all.
I'm actually so scared. Can we scoot down? No, we're next. We're next. Scoot down. Oh my God, my face on my head. Oh my God, stop. Oh my fucking God. Wait, I'm about to go.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, relax. We gotta relax.
Hold up. Okay.
Oh my God.
I cannot relax.
Oh no. No.
This is nasty. I don't want to do this no more.
Wait, I don't know.
Skipped us.
Yeah, he did. Let him skip us.
I don't care.
I don't care.
They have my money. I'm ready to go. Kaylin. They keep that money. This is not my type of thing, baby.
Wait, no, he skipped us. He didn't give us no food, y'all. Cause y'all was. He didn't give us no food. Wait, I wanted to come back. We ain't get no pictures of it. Look at my hair. Look what it did to my hair.
Okay, let's just enjoy the moment. Can't be jumping on my wig like that, boy.
We can't stop screaming. He didn't give us no food.
I was fine.
What happened? Yeah, I think we're like the scariest right now. Wait. No, I would die if it did that. No, like they're all over them. Look at them. Wait, Alexis, you want him to give you food?
Yes.
Yeah, ask him. Why did he skip us then?
I had my hand out.
Probably because we too scary. Yeah, oh my gosh.
You're 6, yeah?
All that I could take it, we all close to each other. Y'all, look at these monkeys. I'm actually like freaking out right now.
Yeah, we need to really calm down.
Yeah, or they're not gonna give us no food.
Okay, let's relax.
This was my I was most excited for this.
Yes, you were. Jada was the one who was so thrilled.
Hey, I'm gonna shut up this time.
Girl, it's hard not to scream. Y'all, we're coffee tasting right now. We're about to see. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay.
He said it's super hot, y'all. He said in there drinking really hot. I don't drink coffee.
They said they drink it really hot and really sweet. Ready?
Got over there for the 30 stop.
It's super though. I think it's crazy.
Spain, where the Queen of
It's
Spain
sweet though.
also tasted
No, it's sweet.
as a secret for more than 50
It just
years.
needs creamer.
In the first place, where they started planting
It's really
these
good though. It just needs like half and half. And then
coffee,
creamer.
and it's the biggest producer of
I don't like coffee.
cocoa
I don't like it. I don't like it. It just needs
2%
some
of the
creamer.
chocolate that the people consume around the world being taken from the Dominican Republic.
That's good to me.
And 10% of your chocolate in the United States, the beans come from the Dominican Republic.
I like coffee. Can you give it a I'm telling us about coconut and stuff, y'all.
You see inside they have beans. And the beans you see they're white. But it doesn't mean white chocolate is coming out of it. White chocolate doesn't exist. The white chocolate is the fat in the waste of this with a little bit of milk and sugar. Okay? Instead of making white chocolate out of it, we make that cocoa cream. She's the secret
Yeah, I
of
don't know
the
who told
internal
us to
youth
come
of our
on this
Dominican
tour,
ladies.
but
This is excellent.
the girls are ready to go outside. Put on a swimsuit and dance, maybe?
Dark spots and to clear your face. This is a cream that you use at night, not to get exposed to the sun. It's a natural moisturizer out of the cocoa beans. The only problem that you ladies gonna have is that your man might wanna eat your face because that's when he acts like sugar.
She said he acting like he's selling products. I'm dead. Okay, y'all. Guess I'll see y'all when we
Your sotolis, don't shoot it.
So it's the next day, and we are on the way to our boat party. We all look so cute. And yeah, we're on the way there. We had to stop and like pay for the rest of it and stuff, but now we are headed there. So yeah, y'all say hey. Everybody looks so cute.
Damn fried. Damn fried. Damn fried.
Come here, we see the body. Green body make I roll down, yeah. I know you see me on me. I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and walk?
Okay, y'all, we on the boat. The hookah going. My hair's a mess,
What do you do outside of work? I'm like, you can all different person. I'm not this nigga.
What the fuck you doing? Let it burn. What I gotta do now to get my shawty back? Okay.
Bad bitches only. Bad bitches only. Bad bitches only.
Looks so cute. So y'all, we finna go out again. It is Kaylin's birthday. It's 12 o'clock. So we're about to go out. Looks super cute today. Well, tonight. If my camera can focus, okay. I have on this cute, so I have on this super cute top with these shorts, these little mini shorts, and some platform heels. That looks so good. I love this outfit. So yeah, we're about to go to the club. So excited, and I know we're gonna have a ball. So yeah. Let's see what Kaylin has to say. Kaylin, it's your birthday. What do you have to say?
I'm 21. I'm a young tart man.
Period.
Oh, leave this. It's my birthday. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I'm blessed.
We're here in DR.
I'm ready to go.
Okay. Yeah, y'all. So we finna go to the club. I'll see y'all once we get there. Y'all, we're at the beach right now. Having a little beach day. It's our last full day in DR. I'm sad. Kaylin, it's her birthday.
My birthday with the beach, relaxing.
Period.
It's a nice beach.
And it's such a nice view out here. The vibes are vibing. Everybody's just chilling. We just ate some fries. Yeah.